peeps. So I just wanted to come to you guys with a really quick video about how to remove nails from like very tiny nails. So I have a I guess this is a flathead screwdriver, and I have my hammer here. And so pretty much I was like, how in the world am I going to get this small nail out? So what has helped me, because like initially, like if you're trying to just go up it like regularly with this is not going to get it. As you can see, it's not going to hook onto it. So what I had to do was use this and pry open. You guys can see, pry it open, get in a small space, pry it open, push it back, then take the hammer to get the nail out. My goodness. And I'm taking this apart because it's not centered and it's causing the drawers to be crooked. So I'm redoing it because I had to call the assembly customer service assembly team to help me out, and they were saying that was my problem. So we're gonna take it apart, see if that fixes it. And yes, I just really wanted to make a video really quick just to let you guys know that's pretty much how you get a small nail out. Just being able to put something small in, help wedge it, because like I almost like broke this part trying to use the hammer to wedge it. So this was small enough to fit in the groove of it to kind of pry it back so I could hook onto it. So I hope this helps somebody. I'm glad like I was able to do it, because I was like, how in the world am I supposed to get this small screw out? But catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.